What's good everyone, this is Bboy Intact and welcome to the Footwork tips and variations. Take a look on today's pattern structure. So I'm starting from the hook step to the left side, left leg straight, step over the left leg to the fishtail lock position, turn, upper hook position, going inside to the figure 4 and switching the leg, keeping my legs locked, going inside to the turn and back to the hook position. Now I'm ready to go to other side. Exactly the same order. Straight leg, step over the straight leg, fishtail turn to the upper hook position, inside to the figure 4, switching the legs, making a turn directly to the hook position. To the count. 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Just a short recommendation, every time you're executing this combination, both sides, pay attention on the sharpness of each step. If you're gonna be able to fulfill every step with power and with the sharpness, the whole pattern gonna look strong, clean, and you will be able to use it in different ways, mixing it with your personal vocabulary, with your concepts, with your ideas, and that's gonna become really good transition in your breaking.